Is your iPhone refusing to show up for screen mirroring on your Mac? Let's get that connection working. First, ensure both your iPhone and Mac are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. This is the most common culprit. Forget about Bluetooth for mirroring. Wi-Fi is key. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the screen mirroring icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. Make sure AirPlay is enabled in your iPhone settings under General, then AirPlay and Handoff. On your Mac, open Finder in the sidebar. Click AirDrop. Verify that Allow Me to Discover Me is set to everyone or at least everyone from your network name. You might need to access this via system settings for newer macOS versions. If that's already set, let's try a simple restart. Power off both your iPhone and your Mac completely. Wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn them back on. This often clears up temporary glitches. Once both devices are back online, try the screen mirroring process again. Your Mac should now appear in the list of available devices on your iPhone. If it's still not showing on your Mac, go to System Settings, then General, and check AirDrop and Handoff. Ensure Handoff is enabled, and on your iPhone, under Settings, General, AirPlay and Handoff. Also ensure Handoff is toggled on. This inter-device communication is vital for AirPlay to function correctly. With these steps, your Mac should now be visible and ready for screen mirroring. Enjoy sharing your iPhone's display on a bigger screen.